WT0703, Rosalina B. Binaventura, 39 years old, single, college level, 3 years Dubai tutor nanny with finished contract. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Rosalina Benaventura. I am 39 years old. I'm a single mother with one 16 years old son.
From your place going to Manila, it takes how many hours?
It takes 10 hours by bus to travel from my place in Bicol going to Manila.
You see that you have 16 years old son who will take care of him.
My foster parents are the one who will take good care of my son when I left the Philippines.
Please describe your family background to us.
My foster parents are the one who brought me up. My real parents are already deceased. My foster mother is a teacher and my foster father is a farmer.
You have 3 years in Dubai as tutor nanny. Would you tell us about your work experience there?
My duties and responsibilities in Dubai as a nanny, I tutor the children, I feed them and bath the children, I help them to prepare their homework, I prepare their meals, I do ironing and I do washing their clothes and do household chores.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby in Hong Kong?
Yes sir, I am willing to take good care of infant and newborn babies.
What about elderly?
Also the elderly, I am very much willing to take good care of them.
Okay, do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes sir.
What are the procedures or the step of bottle feeding?
First I have to wash the bottles and the nipples with soap and water. And then I have to sterilize them in boiling water. And then wipe them with a sterilized cloth. And make the bottles and the nipples dry. And put the milk and water. And then I have to check the water temperature of the milk if it is already fit for the baby to drink.
What if the baby have a fever? What will you do?
I have to inform my employer about the situation of the baby and or the children, and then take temperature of the children and give them medicine.
If the baby is still keep crying, what will you do?
I have to check the condition of the baby. If they are bitten by an insect bite or their diapers are wet, so I can change them and dry them.
You see that you are tutor nanny. What could you teach the children?
I can teach the children good values. I can teach them in writing and reading, and also singing and dancing.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I have to focus myself on doing my job and also I have to focus myself being busy.
What if one of your family members will get sick? Will you break your contract and go home?
No sir, I will finish my contract as long as it is valid. I will phone them and tell them that I will support them financially.
Okay, if you are been selected for Hong Kong, what is your promise to your employer?
I promise my prospective employer in Hong Kong that if you choose me, I'm an experienced nanny and being a mother to one child as well. I am hardworking and flexible, and also I am loyal and trustworthy. And I am willing. I can do jobs for children from infant to school age, and also I can do household chores and ironing also and preparing meals.
Before I forgot, what will you do to comfort the baby? Could you sing a lullaby song?
Yes sir, I will sing lullaby to the baby so I can comfort the children or the infant.
Could you sing it for us, please?
Yes sir. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Good. Okay. Why you choose Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong because it's a nice country and also nice nice people, and also have a big salary.
Okay, thank you so much, WT0703 Rosalina B. Binaventura.
Thank you, sir. I hope to hear from you soon.